Welcome to our channel.
Join us as we are outbound to Burbank, California.
We are here for the Warner Brothers Studio Tour.
During this backlot and soundstage tour, they will take you from script to screen. Here they film movies like Inception, Blade Runner, La La Land, Casablanca, and Gremlins, and shows like Friends, Big Bang Theory, Gilmore Girls, and ER.
Experience the DC Universe, the Wizarding Worlds of Harry Potter, and much more.
This is a working studio, so you'll never know who you may run into. Follow the signs towards studio tour parking. Don't forget which character level you parked at. Then head down towards G level tour entry. After the metal detectors, there will be featured merchandise on display. Supergirl was featured promoting the new movie. If you're hungry or needing coffee, there is a Starbucks in the main lobby. Also, a Triwizard Cup for your boomerang and selfies.
And yes, you can bring your drink along with you on the tour.
They even sell exclusive Warner Brothers Studio merchandise.
We enjoyed a quick bite before checking in. I've done this tour about 5 times already, and each time is always a new experience. Yet I haven't been here since 2019, so I'm curious to see how much has changed. After checking in, you'll head to the waiting area, which is filled with history. In this room, you get to reflect on the legacy of Warner Brothers, the timeless classic films produced, the animations, everything across the years. Be sure to make a list of what movies and shows interest you so they know what to highlight during your tour.
Tours can be limited based on what's being filmed on the lot. Check out the list of productions prior to starting.
Welcome to Warner Brothers.
Expecto Patronum!
Here's our knowledgeable tour guide. Note there are parts where filming is not permitted.
We start off on the back lot. Here they explain that the exterior is just that. It's just a shell used for filming the exterior.
But most indoor clips would be filmed in a soundstage. And there's a photo op with the water tower where Wacko, Yakko, and Dot live. Here is where Joey brought Chandler to his movie premiere of his World War I epic. Here is Gotham City Police Headquarters from Adam West's Batman in the 1966 series. This is where Mia and Sebastian had to stop for a scene being filmed on their walk around the lot in La La Land. This is also where Ross plays rugby. Next, they take you to their Midwest town, which is famously the backdrop for Gilmore Girls. Here is Mrs. Deagle's house from the Gremlins. And then we are brought to what's known as the Geller house, Monica and Ross's parents' house from Friends. We get to be in the kitchen where Chandler loses a toe in his wicker shoes. This is the coffee shop where Mia works in La La Land, Love's Bakery, a fresh tart in the show You, and Luke Steiner in Gilmore Girls.
Next, we head to the sound stages. We passed by where they were filming The Pit, and we learned that ambulance bay shots are actually done at the nearby hospital with a blue screen, where they digitally added the Pittsburgh skyline.
Stage 16 is our largest soundstage, known for films such as The Goonies, Jurassic Park, and Dunkirk. Next stop is Stage 48. Here you will explore the iconic sets, interactive exhibits, and a gift shop devoted to the show Friends. The movie-making process, from initial script development to post-production.
You sit and you provide yourself with the time.
I'll take a phone for you, and then some bags will go by your feet while you sit on the couch. 1, 2, 3. On the couch.
Thank you.
technology accepted.
Penny?
Thanks to the magic of Lunar.
To record, you're going to hear some countdown beeps, and your script will appear at the bottom of the screen.
Happy Christmas, Harry. Happy Christmas, Ron. What are you wearing? Looks like you got one too. I've got presents.
Art of Sound.
Next, we head to the Friends Fountain, which you can skip if you're not interested. They have brought the fountain from its original location at Warner Brothers Ranch. And in the far distance is the amazing Harrison Ford, who we had just passed by earlier. He's on set filming his show, Shrinking.
Here's the closest we got to the exterior of Abbott Elementary.
Next, we head to the DC Comics and Wizarding World.
Touch the wand below. Sure. Oh.
Greetings, sir. Just touch these plates. Touch the ones you want. The ones you want. Touch the plates. See, it's not going to work because the first ingredient is the one you touch. So just to touch the wand.
We spent about 3 hours total here. We had an amazing time. In the past, they take you onto an actual set, but perhaps that's one of the higher packages available.
Well, that's all, folks, for this video. And until next time,
Remember to experience life.